In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a progress note in SimplePractice. By the end, you'll feel confident starting a note directly from your calendar or client chart, choosing the right template, and saving your documentation properly. Let's start from your calendar. If you're in Week View, hover over the appointment you just completed, and you'll see a small note icon appear. Click that icon to jump straight into documenting the session. This is the quickest path when you're moving through a busy day and want to keep your workflow tight without leaving the calendar. If you prefer, there's another simple route. Click the appointment itself, either from the calendar or from the client's chart, and then select Add Note. This takes you to the appointment page with your note ready to begin. Use whichever path fits your routine. Both land you in the same place. On the appointment page, you'll choose the template from a drop-down. You might see options like Simple Progress Note, SOAP, DAP, or a custom template available with certain plan levels. Pick the format that matches your clinical style and requirements. SOAP organizes information by subjective, objective, assessment, and plan, which can help you separate observed facts from clinical impressions and next steps. DAP is similar, but streamlines it to data, assessment, and plan. The Simple Progress Note gives you a straightforward structure if you want minimal sections. If your practice uses a custom template, select it here so your documentation remains consistent across clients and sessions. Now enter your session content in the text boxes provided. Keep your writing clear, concise, and clinically relevant. Focus on progress toward treatment goals, client responses to interventions, any notable changes since the last session, and the plan moving forward. Use objective language where possible, documenting observable behavior and measurable outcomes. If you discuss risk, safety planning, or referrals, capture those details succinctly. It can help to use complete sentences and avoid jargon that might be unclear later. As a time saver, consider drafting recurring phrases you use often, but always personalize them to the session. Before wrapping up, take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct appointment and client. Review spelling and clarity since your notes are part of the legal record. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving stores the progress note to the client's record so you can reference it later, continue building on the treatment plan, and stay aligned with your documentation standards. That's all there is to it. Start from the calendar or client chart, choose the right template, write a focused, clinically sound note, and click Save. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.